We are lucky to have a jolly coordinator.
Now I will request Dr. Irfanullah to come on the stage and to receive his shield. Respected Dr. Rahil Malik to come on stage and receive his own shield. Thank you, sir. Now I will request Dr. Nazli to come on the stage for receiving of your shield. Thank you. Now I will request my teacher, Professor Zia Muhammad, for receiving his shield. Thank you, sir. Madam, now I will request Professor Dr. Sumaira Altaf for receiving his shield. Thank you. Thank you, madam. So nice of thank you. Now I will request Professor Sanaullah Jan to give the shield to the chief guest. Co-chair Chair Muhammad Naeem Khan. हाँ. Co-chair. Now the shield of appreciation to Professor Sadia Sethi for active participation.
I would like to congratulate Professor Sanaullah and his team for a wonderful symposium, and we look forward for further such type of activities.
Well done, well done. Thank you, madam. Thank you. And you will be part of our team.
Thank you so much.
Now I will request Professor Sanaullah Jan for the appreciation shield to the guest of honor, Professor Zia Muhammad. We are very, very honored. Thank you, sir.
I am also very grateful to Sanaullah Jan on behalf of the Association of Pediatric Ophthalmology Pakistan. Being the president of the association.
So,
Younger EMOs and senior people are no Professor Muhammad Sahab. He is known as the father of pediatric ophthalmology. Dr. Ziawar Sahab is the father of pediatric ophthalmology in this province. He is the pioneer of the Association of Pediatric Ophthalmology. And we are the ophthalmologists, especially teacher is Professor Ziaul Islam. He is teacher of Ziaul Islam Sahab, and probably every ophthalmologist here in the hall and in the province. And in pediatric ophthalmology, we are students of Professor.
Now the shield to the for the chief guest, Professor Ziaullah Islam Sahab.
Thank you.
Now I request Professor Ziaul Islam Sahab to give the certificate to the chief coordinator, Professor Sanaullah Jan. Now I request to the chief guest, Professor Ziaul Islam Slab to give the coordinator, Mr. Samiuddin. I will.
Well, I would say one thing. I know him.
He is such a humble personality and such an active. He's actually on the ground. He's always working. You can see him. He has no complexes. वो नीचे भी बैठेगा. He's assistant professor in people. But अगर आपने देखा हो इसकी humbleness, इसके जो काम हर चीज की तरफ बहुत माइक लेके जा रहा है. मैं इसको कह रहा हूँ बैठो चाय पियो नहीं ये. Somehow his services to this institute is are at
And Sami has worked with me in my clinic, and I have seen a tremendous change in Sami, and the credit goes to Sanaullah.
co-chairman of this workshop committee.
Thank you, Ji. Last but not the least, now I would like Professor Sanaullah Jan to present a certificate. Professor Ziaul Islam Sahab to Chairman of this organizing committee, Dr. Abdul Qadir Sahab.
Thank you. कॉन्फ्रेंस में करूँगी बड़ी.
I am very thankful to all